We put the success of our company down to our investment in modern trends in the fields of machining and laser technologies. Here at LINTECH, we don't force the customers to choose from a catalogue of solutions. Our machines are custom built exactly to customer specifications. Thanks to the quality and precision of our personnel, we have created the position we currently occupy on the market, and our customers see us as a reliable and quality partner. We perceive our company as one of the leaders on the Czech market in the fields of laser marking, assembly and services. The company LINTECH was established in 1993. In 25 years we have experienced many successes, as well as failures, and we can say that today we are a very strong company that has a great deal to offer our customers. LINTECH currently has around 100 employees at 3 different centres, and we place great emphasis on teamwork. That is very important to the company. We build single-purpose machines, not only for industrial marking, and all our machines are developed here under one roof. And that goes for the manufacture of individual components, the development of individual components, and the construction of machines. Without our own R&D, we wouldn't be able to offer custom-built solutions with such short delivery times, and that is what our customers value. The LINTECH brand is continually growing, not only thanks to our sensor. We are currently able to concentrate on more complex projects, such as conveyor belts, turntables and rotary stages. Thanks to the implementation of such requirements, we are constantly moving forwards. Our company has 2 departments concerned with customized production. Customer requirements are diverse, so everything non-standard must be solved with non-standard production. Our independence is extremely useful. We have a fully equipped tool room with all modern machining technologies. We have all the laser systems for laser cutting, laser welding, engraving and marking. Our center finishes and assembles high-frequency connectors and connectors for optical fibers, which we are further able to install in larger units, larger boxes. Our products are used in the communication and automotive industries. LINTECH cooperates with partners on the Western market, from Switzerland, from Germany. We are very well established on these markets and cooperate at a very high level. Flexibility is not just a word for us. We are able to complete orders within days or weeks at the most. We have very skillful people in all our centres. We have reached a position where we are technologically very strong. We have our own leading research and development, and I see this as the greatest strength of our company. Our main goal is development in the field of digitalization and in the field of robotization, and that, I think, will be very important for the future.